Megiwa, Onyi Mage Megiwa, Onyi Mage Megiwa, Wayo, Owonya Ge Megiwa.
Yes.
Now yeah.
Let the woman there.
Now yeah, she did. Now yeah, with only the use. So she did say. So you go first. You know say now you believe come now.
No. If I go first, normally safe when I never take anything na 3 hours. As I don't take something, if I go on, I not go sit and do today.
Okay, if not so, make her first go.
I will go last.
I'll go second.
But they tell me say this woman, one person know the door. No house. Now why I bring this in? When you enter, you say, when they tell you what I tell you? Now Malicha one. Now Malicha in the shop.
This man!
And like a woman, what's a do?
He's a bit.
It's your turn.
No waste time.
Why? Very good food. As usual.
No waste time.
This one. Direct from choir rehearsal.
For choir?
You know. Would they take her like a doctor prescription 3 times in a week?
3 times a week.
I will not bring them come now.
Do Baba. You don't finish now.
That girl say don't tire. You should say don't tire like this. I don't tell you finish.
How she go say she don't tire? Which kind of Obutu?
I don't know.
You know that the girls are follow pay. She will not say 10,000 with the pay.
I not do again. What's happening? Now what give me? Say the whole place the hotel.
Jesus!
Exactly.
Now the woman went there inside with this.
Yes.
That's what you mean. That's what you do mean.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Because I'm not saying that my wife is this.
Yeah!
And my wife will not do what I do.
Jesus!
No.
Okay, na tamazu na ngega.